I'm standing in the Breaking Bad RV with Walter White.
1 second later, I'm in the Royal Mint Vault celebrating with the professor. I even survived a selfie with Wednesday Addams at Nevermore. And now, at the Gryffindor table at Hogwarts. This isn't a leaked movie clip, this is one selfie teleporting me into any scene using AI.
No green screen, no camera crews. Come, let me show you
Exactly how to do it in 5 minutes.
This looks like a video generation, but it's not. It is an image. If you start with a video, it's going to look fake. It's not going to work. So what you do first of all is you start with creating the image. You create the image of yourself in that scene where you want to be. And it's extremely simple. All you need is an image of yourself, of which I'm going to be using this image today. And then you need a prompt. You can get your prompt from ChatGPT or from Gemini. So let's start off with me creating the scene in which I was in Money Heist. So what we're going to use to create these images is going to be nanobanana Pro. But the platform we are going to use today is Higgsfield, okay? And the link to Higgsfield is going to be in the description box. So you can click it and try it out as I'm trying it. So when I open my Higgsfield account, I'm going to go over here and click nanobanana Pro. Now I've used Higgsfield to create this my cinematic video that I used Higgsfield Cinemas today. If you've not watched it, it's going to be linked up here. Go over here and you're going to paste the prompts that you got from ChatGPT for whatever scene that you want. Your image must have 3 things. It must be an FPV shot. You must tell them the movie that you want to be placed inside, and of course you're going to upload your image. So I'm going to go over here and click this plus button and upload the image that I want to be in that movie scene. Okay, I've uploaded my image and I've pasted my prompt. Okay, so I'm going to go over here and I'm going to change it to, you can do 16:9, and then that is it. It is unlimited. If you click unlimited, you're going to generate this for free, and then you click unlimited and generate it. You can decide to select 2K, make it more high quality or not. Now you're going to generate as many images as possible of you in different scenes. It can be movie sets, it can be whatever thing, underwater, anything you want to be, wherever you want to be. You can generate those images, and then we're going to go to the part where we now turn them into videos, and it is extremely simple. You're not going to believe it. What you're going to do is, still on this video, you're going to go to video and you're going to click create video. Please note that you can do this on your phone and you can do this on your device. All right, so we're going to go over here and change it, and we're going to make sure that what we are going to select is Kling. And when we select Kling, we're going to click Kling General. All right, Kling General has what we call a start frame and an end frame. So this is what you are going to do. You're going to select, you have 2 images. So let's say for instance you have, like me now, I have an image of Breaking Bad. After the image of Breaking Bad, I have the image of Money Heist. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to start off with the image of Breaking Bad, right? So I'm going to select the image of Breaking Bad as the start frame, and then we're going to select the image of Money Heist, us in the vault, as the second frame. That is all. I'm going to come here to my duration and leave it at 5 seconds. Make sure that your resolution is 1080p, and then you click generate. Guys, that is all, and then you get this video. The AI intuitively knows what to do, how to move you, how to position you to get to the right place, how to move you. You don't need to overthink it. There are some times when you do get bad generations, so what do? You just rerun the prompt again. Now when you're done, you string them all together. Because you have a start frame and an end frame, you can just keep on stringing, and then it looks as if you're moving from one set to another. You can use a simple video editing tool like maybe CapCut, any other video editing that you like, to string them all together, and then you have yourself a full, consistent character of you walking through different movie scenes. Now the prompts can be quite technical, but ChatGPT on Gemini can generate it for you. All you need to tell ChatGPT is, I want to be in this scene in Breaking Bad, I want to be in this scene in whatever movie you want to be, and tell them the characters you want to be alongside in the image. Now what you must understand is that the image that you're generating has to be in a POV or FPV style. That means it must be like you're taking a selfie camera, or it must be like somebody is watching you do something with a selfie, or like a camera is following you as you go through somewhere. So those are the things you need to put in place to generate that image. Okay, so for this was very easy, this was very fun to do, and I hope you learned it. Now if you want my prompts that I used for all the scenes in this video, in the opener and all in between, just comment prompts in the comments and I'll send you a link straight to my prompt documents. That is it for today's video. My name is Jayne. I am an AI coach and video editor with over 11 years of experience, and on this page I teach you what is next in AI. So before you go watch these next 2 videos, you're going to learn something amazing from them, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.